Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that is good to know. Can you tell me first, what did you do today?
I watch TV.
You learn math?
No, I watch TV.
Oh, okay, you just watch, you did not learn. Okay, I see. So now, Peter, we will have the continuation of our discussion yesterday talking about our new topic, which is about your city. Okay, so now we have here again, we have street market, historical building, restaurant. Now we also have skyscraper. What is skyscraper, Peter?
Uh, is I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say skyscraper, as you can see here in the picture, Peter, a skyscraper is a very tall building that is usually, of course, found in cities. Okay, very tall buildings. That is skyscraper, Peter. Now, next one. Oh, wait, let me translate it for you so you'll understand it better. Okay, this is
Tòa nhà
skyscraper.
chọc trời.
Okay. Now, next one, we also have the scenery. Okay, this is scenery. What is it?
Is mountain.
Okay, it is the mountain. Yes, a mountain is one example of it, Peter, because when we say scenery, these are, or it is a natural view of mountains, not only mountains, but of course, trees or countryside. Okay, it is the natural view, just like what we can see here in the picture. Okay, scenery.
Phong cảnh.
Okay, that
Okay.
is it. Now, next one, Peter, we also have a park. What is a park?
Is a playground.
Okay, yes. What can we do at the park, Peter?
We can
What?
do exercise. Can run in the park.
Yes. Yes, exactly. That is correct, Peter. People usually go here to relax, to exercise. Okay, so that is the park. Now, next one, we also have shopping mall. What is a shopping mall?
Is a supermarket.
Hmm. Okay, it is a supermarket. When we say shopping mall, Peter, it is a very large building with many stores and places that you can shop. So yeah, it is a shopping mall because the um when we say supermarket, Peter, that is um a place where we can buy groceries. But in here, this is a big one. Okay, this is a mall itself. Okay, shopping mall. Now, next one, Peter, let us practice. And in here, tell me what these are. Okay, what is it, Peter?
Is snack mm,
What is it? It is okay.
is
While you're thinking, Peter, for a moment, let me change my headphones. Okay.
is um I don't know.
Oh, you forgot this one already. Okay, so when you see this picture, Peter, think of a scenery. Okay, again, it is scenery. Okay, scenery. It is a natural view of mountain, trees. Okay, so that is
Okay.
scenery. Next one now. What about this?
Is street market.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Peter. This one is the street market. What about this?
Is shopping mall. Is shopping mall.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Peter. This is a shopping mall. Now, what about this?
Is park.
Okay, yes, it is a park again, Peter. What about this one? What is it?
Scenery.
Okay, yes, it's scenery. Now, next one. What is it, Peter?
Skyscraper.
Okay, yes, very good. It is skyscraper. What about this?
Is restaurant.
Okay, yes, very good. It is a restaurant. Okay, so now let us proceed to exercise two, vocabulary. What is dangerous? What does it mean when we say something is dangerous?
Is not safe.
Okay, so when we say dangerous, it means it is not safe and that thing can cause harm. Okay, so very good, Peter. Now, what about safe?
Is not dangerous. It's
Okay,
not dangerous.
it is not dangerous. Okay, very good, Peter. That is correct. Now, what about clean?
Queen is um is not uh I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say clean, it means it is not dirty. Okay, not having any dirt or having recently been cleaned. Okay, it is neat. It is tidy, Peter. Okay, not dirty. What about crowded?
It is very is a lot of people.
Okay. Yes, very good. That is correct. When we say crowded, there's a lot of people in a certain place. Now, what about quiet?
Um, is not not not
Not?
uh,
Was it of? Noisy.
not noisy. Yes.
Okay. Yes, that is right. Okay. So I know you're thinking of that word. Okay, so when we say quiet, it means it is not noisy. It is calm and peaceful. Okay, or having very little activity or excitement. That is quiet. Now, what about busy?
Is I don't know.
Okay, so when we say busy, Peter, it means you are full of activities. Okay, a lot of things is happening. Okay, you're doing a lot of things. You are busy. Okay, wait, let me translate that to you. This
Bận.
one. Okay, that is busy. Now, next
Okay.
one, Peter, what about polluted?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Now, when we say polluted, Peter, it means it's dirty. Okay, dirty in a dangerous way. Okay, especially because of smoke, gas, or chemicals. Okay, it's polluted. Wait, let me translate this one for you, Peter, so you'll understand it a lot better.
Ô nhiễm.
Okay, that is polluted.
Okay.
Okay. Now, next one, what about beautiful?
It's not ugly.
Okay, yes, very good. It looks nice. Okay, it is good to look at. That is beautiful. Now, let us have the practice and tell me if it's positive or negative or both. Okay, now when we say dangerous, Peter, is it positive, negative, or both positive and negative?
It's negative.
Okay, yes, it is a negative. What about safe?
It's positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. What about clean?
It's positive.
Yes, it is positive. Thank you. Now, what about crowded?
It's negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative. What about quiet?
It's positive.
Okay, it's positive. Okay, what about busy?
It's negative.
Okay, negative. What about polluted? Polluted. They're kicking ball. Okay. Great job, Dan. Very good, very good. Now, number four, Taylor. Oh, wait. Let us have number four, Taylor. Number four. What's the correct question for Taylor? Hi, Peter. Is your connection okay?
It's it's positive.
Hmm? Why is polluted positive? Polluted, it's dirty in a dangerous
Uh,
way.
it's negative.
Yes, it is negative, Peter. Okay, now what about beautiful?
It's positive.
Okay, yes, of course it is positive. Thank you so much. Now, what about your town, Peter? Can you think of any words to describe your town or city?
Bạn có thể nghĩ ra thêm từ nào để miêu tả một thị trấn hoặc thành phố nữa không?
Um, is very clean.
Oh, that is good. It's really clean, not polluted. I see. Thank you so much for that, Peter. Now let us have exercise 3, more vocabulary. Do you know what it means when we say on the coast? Let's have this one first.
I don't know.
Okay, now I will be translating it, Peter, and I want you to tell me your idea in English.
Trên
Okay?
bờ biển.
Do you
Okay.
think what is on the coast? Can you say it in English?
On the coast.
They're stopping. Stop here. We double the feeling, okay?
It's in the beach.
Look at the sky. The sky.
It's
Ocean?
on the beach.
Okay, yes, that is correct because when we say on the coast, it means it is next to the sea or next to the ocean. Very good, Peter. Now, next one we also have in the mountains.
I don't know.
Okay, so you don't know what it means when we say in the mountains, Peter?
It's in a
Yeah.
in the mountain. Is
Yeah.
I don't know it in
You don't know how to say it. Okay, you don't
yes.
know how to say it in English. Okay, so now when we say in the mountains, it is in a high area with lots of mountains. What about tiny? Tiny.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know tiny. When we say tiny, Peter, it is very small. There you go. Okay. So it is common when saying a tiny house, which means it is a very small house. Okay. Tiny, very small. Okay. Now what about dense?
I don't know.
Okay, so dense, Peter, it is just the same as crowded. Okay, having a lot of people, okay, packed closely together. We can use this to describe the city or the population. Okay, so it is crowded. Now, okay, this is very small. Next one, Peter, we also have a medium size.
It's normal size.
Yes, not big, not small, just in the middle. Okay. Next one, what about massive?
I don't know.
Okay, it is the opposite of tiny, Peter, which means very big. Okay, it's very big. Now, what about on a river?
It's I don't know.
Okay, on a river. You know river, right?
Yeah.
Do you know? Okay, so when we say on a river, it just means that it is next to the river. Okay, next to or along the river. Okay, along the river. Now, what about on an island? On an island.
It's in the island.
Okay, yes, it is in a place that is completely surrounded by water. Okay, just like, for example, this is the island. Okay, so this one right here, it is full of water, of course, just like Cook Island in Vietnam. Now, let us practice, Peter, and tell me if the words describe location and which describe population. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you. So, if it describes location or population.
Hãy cho giảng viên của bạn biết mục nào trong danh sách mô tả vị trí địa lý và mục nào mô tả dân số.
Okay. So now when we say on the coast, Peter.
Okay, let's go. Now, on the coast is
What is it?
Describe location.
Okay, yes, very good. On the coast, it describes location. Now, what about tiny? Tiny.
Is population.
Very good. Dense.
Is describe population.
Very good. That's correct. What about medium size?
It describe location. What?
Okay, medium size describe population. Now, what about massive? Do you hear me, Peter? Hear me, Peter? Hello, Peter. Okay, so now let us go back. Can you tell me, when we say massive, is it about location or population?
Is describe location.
Why is it location? When we say location, it describes a place.
It describe population.
Yes, it describes population, which means there's a lot of people. Okay. Now, what about in the mountains?
It describe location.
Okay, on a river.
It describe location.
Okay, and on an island.
Describe location.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much, Peter. Now let us proceed to another one. We'll have here a dialogue. Okay, so read it with me and answer some questions. Where do you live, Arisa?
I live in Bangkok, Thailand.
Where is Bangkok located?
It is in the center on Thailand, on the
South?
Chao Phraya
Yeah.
Valley.
River.
River.
Okay. What is Bangkok like?
It is a very big and busy city. It is crowded, and the air is sometimes polluted, but it never quiet.
What is it famous for?
It is famous for many things. Some of the historical buildings are beautiful, like the Grand Palace. But Bangkok is most famous for its food and restaurant. The food is in Bangkok is amazing.
Do you like living in Bangkok?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Now let us test your understanding. Is Bangkok in the north of Thailand?
Um, yes,
Is it yes? No, Peter. Bangkok is not in the north of Thailand. It is in the center of Thailand. Okay, center of Thailand. Now, what does Arisa say Bangkok is famous for? What is Bangkok
I
famous for? You don't know?
yes.
Okay. So it is famous for its food and restaurants, Peter. And do you think Arisa loves or like living in Bangkok? For completing the dialogue. Okay. Does she like living in Bangkok?
No,
No? Yes, he does, Peter. He loves living in Bangkok. Okay, we will answer this one again next meeting, Peter, since you weren't able to answer a question. Okay, so that would be all it for our class tonight. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Peter.
my teacher.